Hey guys, so I bought and used the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement, so I want to share my experience in this my Flat Belly Tonic review. So, based on my personal experience, I will be sharing the scam I discovered that will make you lose all your money, and I will tell you how you can avoid the scam. I will also explain to you what the scam is and how it works, and I will also share my personal experience and my before and after photos. I will also share the good things I noticed while using the Flat Belly Tonic and also the bad things as well. This will help you decide if you want to buy this Flat Belly Tonic supplement or not. So, about the scam I discovered about Flat Belly Tonic, please make sure you listen so you don't fall a victim like I did. So what these scammers do is that because they know that this Flat Belly weight loss supplement is getting very serious attention on the internet, they have gone to create a fake website that looks almost the same as the official website of Flat Belly Tonic. So they will make it look like you are getting 70-90% discount, but when you go to their website and pay, they will take your bank details and make as much withdrawal as possible. So please make sure when you want to buy that you use the link in the description below to get to their official website. That's the link where I bought my own. Now, I was that person that was so ashamed to go out because of my weight. I got discriminated and body shamed by my colleagues at work. And I have been in and out of relationships and my life was turning upside down because I lost my confidence. It was really terrible time for me. I tried to cut on my diet, which is very difficult, but I tried it, yet it did not work. I tried several weight loss pills, but none seemed to be working for me. Some weight loss journeys that I joined was so tedious that I had to stop most of my best meals, but guess what? No show. Now, my sister came back one day and she saw how tormented I was feeling and she started crying, but she told me about her colleague in the office who has lost some great deal of weight because he was using the supplement called Flat Belly Tonic. Well, at first I was hesitant, although desperate, so I accepted to try it. So I went ahead to search for reviews on the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement, and I saw some good reviews, and then I saw a review where I was promised an 80 or 90% discount. I quickly jumped in to enjoy the offer and I put in my PayPal details and then purchased the product. I waited for the product, but it never came, and then only for me to start getting transaction notifications from my PayPal. When I opened my PayPal, I found out that I have nothing left in my PayPal and that my $800 were gone. So the scammers will take your details and make withdrawals as much as they can. To avoid this, I have made it easier for you. I have decided to leave the link to the official Flat Belly Tonic supplement website where I finally bought mine to make sure you people don't fall into these scammers. So after falling victim, I had to ask my sister to get the link to their official website from her colleague, and that's where I finally bought mine. Please make sure you use the link in the description so you don't fall a victim like I did. I am 100% sure that this is the real one because that is where I securely paid for my Flat Belly Tonic supplement after falling for one of those discount websites that I warned you about earlier. Even if you are not ready to buy now, do save this video and the link I added in the description. That way you are sure you are not falling into the hands of these scammers. Anyway, I am so happy to let you all know that I have gone down by more than 20 pounds in just 5 to 6 weeks. As you can see my before and after pictures, Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement saved my life. For the link to Flat Belly Tonic supplement official website, make sure you use the link in the description. So today, as I am sharing my experience in this Flat Belly Tonic supplement review, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section down below, share your experience with gaining weight and the struggles you have been through. We can all see how we can stand with each other and solve our issues together. If you decide to buy the Flat Belly Tonic supplement, make sure you use the link in the description. That way you are safe. Feel free to also like and share the video so that others can be free from these scammers. So let's continue. Now, what is Flat Belly Tonic supplement? Flat Belly Tonic supplement is a weight loss supplement for getting rid of excessive weight and belly fat by providing a carb management supplement that will boost your body metabolism in a few seconds. It basically supports fat burning ability and lowers your appetite. Flat Belly Tonic supplement is made completely from natural and organic ingredients. These organic ingredients will naturally boost your metabolic system to be able to burn consumed food very fast. These natural and organic ingredients make it a very effective food supplement. So what are the pros and cons I noticed while using the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement? One of the first things I noticed, apart from the fast metabolism, is my sleeping pattern improved. So about the pros, remember that when you want to buy that, you use the link in the description below. So you avoid stories. Flat Belly Tonic is a miraculous supplementation that has great benefits attached to it, alongside the actual results obtained with the consumption. It strengthens your digestion process metabolism. It improves the ability of internal organs to function effectively. It boosts energy levels in the body by being dissolved in the blood. It is 100% natural, so no side effects, and it has 60 days money-back guarantee. The only problem with the Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement is that it's only sold online. So how does the Flat Belly Tonic supplement work? So just as I mentioned earlier, one of the things I noticed about Flat Belly Tonic supplement is that my body metabolism changed. And this is what I think is a huge point with Flat Belly Tonic supplement. It enhances your body metabolism, unlike other weight loss pills that are still based on strict meal plans and strict exercises plans. Feel free to ask me any questions if there is anything else you want to know in the comment section down below. But you don't have to worry because it has 60 days money back guarantee. And to buy the Flat Belly Tonic, please make sure you use the link in the description. It is the first link you will see. That way you are sure you are buying from their official website. Conclusively, I think this is a breakthrough for people like me who has in one way or the other been adversely affected by the issue of weight gain or excessive gain. Some of us has lost their self-esteem in the process. Some of us usually shy away from public gatherings or family functions because we always have that cousin that is always getting on our nerves and telling us how much weight we have gained. So I tried and stayed away just to myself. I say thank you to my sister for introducing Flat Belly Tonic weight loss supplement to me. And yeah, please feel free to share this video to other people who may need it. We can work together to help ourselves in any way we can and save ourselves from these scammers. I will appreciate if you will like my video. I wish you guys all the best.
Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a system that destroys fats based on a special blend of berries and healthy foods. The powerful plant has been sourced from Okinawa, Japan, and it doesn't only help shred fats, but it also maintains healthy blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugar markers. The impressive blueprint that discusses the tonic's recipe also talks about other health-benefiting strategies such as those that improve your sleep, eradicate joint pain, and enhance libido. Being overweight comes with one too many worries. Your health is always making you chase doctors, and there's also a risk of inviting further health problems. People who are obese are at a higher risk of arthritis, cancer, heart disease, brain attack, and whatnot. Then there is the problem of confidence. The inability to fit into clothes, to look into the mirror and feel confident about the image looking back. Being overweight means missed opportunities too. Why is that all the salesgirls, receptionists, and managers are fit and good looking with a tucked-in belly? Why do fat people miss all such job opportunities? All these issues make it prominent that a solution is needed for melting off excess pounds. That said, among the many weight loss strategies out there, one is Flat Belly Tonic. This is a program that helps blast off excess fats without any pathetic supplement, any strenuous exercise, or any strict diet plan. The convenient blueprint contains a recipe, a powerful herbal blend that comes from Okinawa. The said drink is to be consumed before 10 a.m. for maximum effects. It triggers metabolic activity, and by supercharging fat burning, it helps slim down and get a consistent flood of energy that keeps you active and attentive. This program works efficiently and is natural. How does Flat Belly Tonic system work? Flat Belly Tonic is a system that talks about a drink that helps lose weight fast. Within just 30 days of starting, you will be able to notice visible results. Basically, as per this program, weight gain happens when the C-reactive protein or CRP disrupts the functionality of the mitochondria and switches off the hormone that is responsible majorly for metabolic activity. This hormone is called adiponectin. All this leads to fat accumulation. Unfortunately, the more weight you gain, the higher the count of CRP goes. You see, as the mitochondria fail to function well, nutrients are not broken down to form energy and fats are stored. This leads to weight gain and fatigue. As CRP increases, the cycle keeps continuing. Then there is adiponectin, which when switched off, hampers metabolic processes. This results in low energy and higher fat storage. The tonic that this guide reveals helps boost metabolism and improve energy levels by switching on adiponectin. It also handles the inflammatory protein CRP, which enables it to help with weight loss. What you get is better health and lowered down risks of diseases. The program also provides other health benefits as it contains other tips for boosting health. Know that all the ingredients recommended are natural and free of adverse side effects of use. Benefits: there are many health benefits that you can expect from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic system. The Okinawa-sourced program improves your well-being in the following ways. 1. Speedy weight loss. This program is not demanding. It doesn't ask you to risk your health or waste too much of your time. You simply are able to burn off excess fats by adding a weight loss tonic to your routine. The blueprint that contains all the information is clear and easily comprehensible. 2. Enhanced energy. Secondly, this plan also boosts your energy levels. As metabolic activity is triggered, you naturally experience higher energy. With nutrients utilized and energy released, your entire body's well-being is boosted. 3. Doubled focus. When your energy reserves are lacking, you experience a deficiency in alertness. Another benefit that you can expect from this product is improved focus. With your energy now up, your focus is sharpened, and your brain performs better. 4. Overall health. With weight loss encouraged and owing to the healthy ingredients list, this tonic maintains optimal blood pressure, glucose, and cholesterol levels. This lowers your odds of getting cardiovascular problems and improves your overall health. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a comprehensive 4-week program that teaches you how to reshape your eating habits and how to enjoy eating healthy and providing your body with the nutrients it needs to feel its best to promote sustainable weight loss. It's all about getting the good stuff in throughout the day, instead of cutting all of the bad stuff out, making it a realistic weight loss program that is as sustainable as it is effective.
Ancient Japanese tonic that helps you lose weight. Our body weight increases if we consume more calories. Than we actually burn. Our body stores these extra calories as fat. Which can bring about major illnesses. Like obesity, stroke, cardiac arrest. High hypertension, diabetes, etc. According to WHO, obesity has tripled since 1975 worldwide. Over 1.9 billion adults were overweight in 2016. And of such 650 million citizens were obese. One of the very common goals of men and women. For reducing your weight is to decrease their waistline. And with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic you can use just that and much more. If you lose your current body weight, that can assist you lose fat around your belly along. With a harmful layer of visceral fat. When you're on a diet, it's impossible to concentrate on only fat around your belly specifically. But this supplement powder enables you to melt the fat around your belly, and causes accelerated metabolism benefits. Losing fat and weight can assist improve your sleep quality. Rebalance your blood pressure levels. And will make you feel more active and fit. Combined that has a regular exercise regime and also a healthy diet. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic will let you lose weight, enhance your metabolism, thanks for watching.